Hosting a New Year's party and need a themed cocktail to serve? Maybe you just want to try something different for yourself? Give this cranberry ginger whiskey cocktail a try. I'll show you how to make just the single drink here today, and I'm going to provide the scaled up ingredient list in the description below if you want to make this into a large batch. In a lowball or rocks glass filled with ice, you want to add about 1.5 ounces of cranberry juice. And we're going to add 2 ounces of whiskey. I'm using Maker's Mark. Any good bourbon will do, any good whiskey will do. Then we're going to top that off with about 2 ounces of ginger beer, just a little over that. And then let's just gently stir. And we're going to garnish that with 2 or 3 fresh cranberries and a slice of lime. Here you go, the cranberry ginger whiskey cocktail. Enjoy.